eagerly waiting to start the class. I'm here only before 10 minutes, but you are taking so much of time to log in. For you all only, I'm waiting. I didn't go anywhere. Okay, children? Okay, anyway, nice. You're all waiting for the class. Good children. Huh? Yes? Yes? Did I give any homework yesterday? Any homework I gave for you? Yes? Okay. You all completed? Completed doing? Okay, good children. Then got all the spellings. Shall I ask? Shall I ask the spellings? No? Yes or no? Okay, all those things after coming to the school we will do. Okay? So we will enjoy after coming. So pray to God every day that you two should come fast to the school. Okay? Okay, nice children. Okay, good. Just take the textbook, pencil and sit. What you had, what no? Some they catch, start fast, miss. Where are you, miss? I'm here only. Before the time I will be here. Okay? I'm waiting for you all. Okay, children? Now, what I'm going to explain you, I won't tell anything. Just first, look at the board, all of you. Take the textbook, pencil, close the book and sit. When I tell, then you can open the book. Okay, children? Shall I start the class? I think so many you came. Okay, I'm going to start the class. Look at the board, all of you. I wrote some sentences. Okay, you try to read this sentence. Okay, ma'am? I is reading story. I is reading story. Manu are playing. Aarti and Manu is talking. Aarti and Manu is talking. Are these sentences right? I want to know the answer from you. The simple sentences I wrote. I wrote the simple sentences. What I wrote the sentence on the board, is it correct? Can you read that sentence properly? I is reading story. I is reading story. I'm not going to tell anything for you. Just you tell, is the sentence correct or not? Something funny like it is. What I is reading story? You don't know first what is wrong in that one. But also while reading the sentence, that's a little bit wrong is there. Yes or not? Can you identify what is wrong I wrote in that sentence? Take the first sentence. I is reading story. Is it correct, children? No. That sentence is wrong. I is reading story. I means each and every individual. While we want to talk or while we want to tell about ourselves something, we use the word I that you know all. Yes or not? I is reading. What is this? Something funny. Yes, very good children, very good. Someone get the answer. Here the word is wrong. Is wrong. Then what we have to write there? While we are addressing to ourselves or while we are talking to ourselves, that means we want to tell something about ourselves to others. Then we have to use the word here, am. That use am. Always along with I am will come. I am reading story. That means what now I am doing? Now at this time, what I am doing? I am reading story. Listen children carefully. I am reading story. Now what I am doing actually? I am teaching you. See here, I didn't tell I is teaching. I am teaching you. Then what you are doing? What you are doing? You can tell in a simple sentence that I am listening or I am watching or I am writing. Yes or not? That is the use of am. Along with I, we have to use only am, not is, are, or some other words. Okay? I am reading story. Okay. Now let's come to the next sentence. Manu are playing. Manu are playing. Okay. Here, Manu. Only one noun. Can we read the sentence properly? Manu are playing. With whom she is playing? Manu are playing. Are playing means if another one will be there, then only we can use the word are. That's a plural. Here, the noun is only in the singular. So here, we can't use the word are. We have to write here is. Then the sentence will give a full meaning to us. Manu is playing. Manu is playing. Then you will get, yes, she is alone. She is playing. Okay, children. Next, Aarti and Manu is talking. Here, how many nouns are there? How many nouns are there here? You know the noun. Again, I no need to explain. You want again to explain what is a noun? It tells about the name of a place, person, animal or thing. Okay. So, this is or depends on the number of nouns. Okay. Number of nouns. If it is only single noun is there, we are talking only about Manu. Then we are not supposed to write are. Are is a plural word. We already read about that one. Are is a plural and is a singular. Okay. Only one person or one thing or one animal. Okay. One place. About that we are discussing. Then we have to use only is. Then more than one. If more than one noun is there, then we have to use the word are. Here this is wrong. We have to write as a are. Aarti and Manu are talking. That means two nouns are there, two persons are there. They are talking with each other. Aarti and Manu are talking. Okay. So using of am, is, are. When we have to use am, when we have to use is, when we have to use are. This am, it comes along with the I. Okay, it comes along with I. While we want to express anything ourselves, that means if you want to tell about yourself, then I am so and so, I am a teacher, I am a student of second class, I am reading in Loyola Public School. I like chocolate. Okay, not I am like chocolate. Okay, I like chocolate then. Okay, ma'am? That means I here, yes, I like chocolate. That means every time you like. Okay. Then where we have to use this am? The present continuous tense, especially we will get am there. Present what we are doing. See here another word I told you. I like chocolate. Okay. And another one. I am reading. Or otherwise I am studying in second class. Inform is a present continuous tense. That means at present what the work you are doing. The word that tells about that is what the noun is doing. What the noun is doing at present. That is a present continuous tense. Okay, children. Is a present continuous tense. Here it is, I like chocolate sweetheart. All the time you like. But this reading work all the time you won't do. Only at some time. If I ask what you're doing now, then you will tell reading. All the time you won't read like that. All the time you like chocolate. It won't change. Yes or not? Then we won't use here I am. I am like chocolate. What is it? I am like chocolate means you are like chocolate, looking like chocolate. No, you are a human being, but not a chocolate or a thing. Yes or not? So, and this am we use and the present continuous tense. Now we are going to deal about the subject present continuous tense. Okay. Here, when this is the sentence, when we are talking about a noun, when it is only one person, then only we can use is, and the nouns, two nouns, more than one is there, then we have to use the word here, are. Okay. Now coming to the topic. What is the present topic now I am going to tell you? Present continuous tense is a present continuous tense. About the tenses already we read. Present tense, past tense. Yes or not? Present tense, past tense. Present tense means now what? At present what is there? That's the present tense. Past tense, that already that work is completed. Now here present continuous tense. That means what the noun is doing at present. What the noun is doing at present. We had, you know the verb. Verb means the action word, what the noun is doing. To that verb, we have to add ing. Sit. We have to add ing. What will get the answer? Sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. Sleep plus ing. Sleeping. This is sit, sleep, read, okay, jump, eat. These are the simple verbs. These are the simple verbs, okay, that we use in the simple tense. So, to this verb, if you add ing, then we will get the in form of that verb is a sitting, reading, sleeping, jumping, eating. That means at present, what you are doing. If I come and ask you what you're doing, you will tell, I read. Can you say, I read? Then what you will tell? I'm reading. I'm doing my homework. I'm eating. Now see here, the ing forms are there to the simple verbs. That's the present continuous tense. Okay, children? Now, open page number 34. Page number 34. Now see there, some sentences are given there. We have to, by seeing the picture, we have to complete them by using am, is, are, plus ing form. Okay. Am, is, are, plus ing form. According to the picture, what we have to use? Either am or is or are, and to the verb, we have to add ing and write. Now look into the book. The pictures are given there. The verb is given there. Okay. To that verb, we have to add either the am or is or are, and also the ing to the given verb. Okay. The first one. Look into the book, children, all of you. Page number 34. The first one. The dog dash milk. Now, what the dog is doing? Can you see the picture and give the answer to me? What the dog is doing? Nicely. So many of you gave the answers. Very good, children. Now give the answer to me. By seeing the picture, what the dog is doing? Okay, first of all, how many dogs are there? Only one. How many are there? Only one dog is there. So if one dog is there, what we have to write there? Is. Only one noun. Only one is there, so we have to write is. What it is doing? See the verbs there, the answers are given there. Talk, play, do, drink, cook. So for that we can write drink. Can we write the dog drink milk? We are dealing about the present continuous tense. We have to add ing to the verb. So we have to write the dog is drinking. At present, what the dog is doing? It is drinking milk. Is drinking. Copy it now, all of you in your book. The two dashes are given there. In one dash, write is. Another dash, write drinking. Not drink much. Drinking, we are dealing about this topic. Present continuous tense. Okay, so drink is a verb to the present simple verb, that is, we have to change it. That means we have to add just ing to that word. Drinking. Very good. So many gave the answers. Drinking. Is drinking. Next, second one. What is the one? Read the sentence. My mother dash rice for me. My mother. How many are there? Only one mother. Yes? You are having only one mother. What you have to write there? Is or are? Shall I write my mother are cooking? Shall I write? No, it's the wrong answer. Because mother only, we are talking about one mother. Okay? So we have to write here is. My mother is, what she is doing? Cooking. Cook is a verb. So that we have to add ing. Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking is cooking. My mother is cooking. See, children, I am explaining where we have to use is and where we have to write are. The single noun. Yes, cooking is the right answer. Shall we go for the next one? Okay, very good, children, very good. Now, next third one. A child dash with a ball. A child. How many are there? Only one child. So what you have to write there? Is. A child is. What he is doing? Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. A child is playing. Very good. Next, fourth one. I dash my homework. I dash my homework. I is there. What you have to write there? Shall I write are? I are. Is it correct? No? Okay, then what I have to write here? I am. Very good. I am. What you're doing? Doing. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. Next, fifth one. Next. The girls. The girls. S-G-I-R-L-S. Girls. Girls means more than one. Then what you have to write there? The girls is, shall I write? No, more than one. So what you have to use? Are. It's a plural. The girls are, what they are doing? Talking. The girls are talking to each other. Only two are there. They are talking something. They are discussing with each other. At present, what they are doing means talking. They are talking to each other. Copy it now, all of you. Okay. Okay. Now, completed all? Yes, are talking. Now, see the B bit. Some words are given there. Just add ing to the words and write them in the box. Okay, the same page it is there. The same page, B bit. 1 to 8 words are given there in the boxes. The first one is given there. First one is given already, sit, sitting. Next, second one, what is the second word? Sleep. Add ing to that word and write sleeping. Read the spelling while you are writing. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. Yasin is sleeping now without listening to the class. Yasin is sleeping. Next, third one, hop. Hopping. H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Hopping. Fourth one, sit. Sitting. I think you can write it. You can complete all the 8 words. Yes? You write in your book and check your answers. The fifth one, paint. Painting. P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G. Painting. Sixth one, drop. Dropping. D-R-O-P-P-I-N-G. Dropping. Seventh one, clap. Clapping. C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Clapping. Eighth one, read. Reading. Copy it, children, all of you. Okay, children, the remaining only just one page is left. Tomorrow I will complete that, and after that I will start the question and answers. Okay, ma'am? Now today, so twice you read this full page, page number 34, and if you are able to write by adding ing form to the verb, try to write by your own 5 sentences in the present continuous tense. Okay? If you are able to write, you write, or otherwise at least learn page number 34. Okay, children? Thank you. Be ready with your maths books. Okay, ma, bye. Good afternoon.